Hi everyone. Here question is check whether following automata M1 and M2 are equivalent or not. In previous session we have seen similar one example. Now let's repeat it for better practice. When we say M1 and M2 are equivalent, when both automatas on the same input, if suppose input is same, it may be ABCD or some any other string or any other symbol. If M1 on same input, M2 on same input, both are going to final state or both are going to non-final state, then we will say both are equivalent. All the states of M1 on the same input and all the states of M2 on the same input should follow the same kind of behavior. It means one state of M1 on one input goes to final, then on the same input one state of M2 should go to final, or both the states should go to non-final, then we will say they are equivalent. If one is going to final, another is going to non-final, then both are not equivalent. Now let's understand this in better way with the help of this example. Here M1 and M2 is given to you, two automatas are given, then how to check whether both are equivalent or not? What is the initial state or starting state of M1? Q1, take it. What is the starting state here? It's a Q4. We have taken one state from M1 and another state for M2, and we will be checking this with the help of given input. Here input states are C and D. So Q1 is from M1, Q4 is for M2. Q1 reading C, Q1 reading C going to Q1 itself. Q4 reading C going to Q4 itself. So Q1 Q4 reading C going to Q1 Q4. Q1 Q4 are both are final, so no issue. M1 one state, M2 one state on the same input following the same behavior. Both states of M1 M2 respectively going to final state. Similarly, Q1 Q4 on D, Q1 on D going to Q2, Q4 on D going to Q5, Q2 Q5. So Q2 Q5 is both are non-final. So one state of M1 and one state of M2 on same input following the same behavior, both are going to non-final. Q2 Q5 are non-final. Now what is the new set here? Q1 Q4 is covered. What's the new? Q2 Q5. So Q2 from M1, Q5 from M2. So Q2 on C. This is a Q2. On C it's going to Q3. Similarly Q5 on C. Here is the Q5 on C. It's going to Q7. So what is the new set? Q3 and Q7. Check. Here Q3 is non-final. Q7 is non-final. So both are non-final. It means Q2 Q5 on same input following the same behavior, states of M1, state of M2 going to non-final, both are going to non-final, so no issue. Similarly Q2 Q5 on D, Q2 on D, so this is a Q2 on D, it's going to Q1, so write down here. Q2 state of M1 on reading D going to Q1 by following this transition. Then Q5 of M2 on D, this is the Q5, on following D it's going to Q6. So one state of M2, one state of M1 and M2 respectively on D going to Q1 Q6. Write down here Q1 Q6. Here Q1 is final, Q6 is non-final. Yeah, this time one state is final, Q1 is final and Q6 is non-final. It means what? Q2 on one input D going to final, this is what our final, and Q5 on D going to non-final. It means what? Both automata or states of automata are not following the same behavior. On same input, one state is going to final and another state of another automata is going to non-final. So these states are not equivalent, or when I say states are not following, it means what? Automata is not following the same behavior. M1, one of the state of M1 or M1 on one input going to final. M2 or one of the state of M2 on the same input going to non-final. It means what? They are not following the same kind of behavior, they are not going to the same kind of states. Hence we can say both are not equivalence. This is the answer. Thank you for watching.